Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one been there since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Thunky Kid 07. Back with another video. How y'all doing out there, guys? So my new subscribers was popping. And for no one that always been there since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all for real, for real. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing good. Like I always say, guys, if you're going through anything in life, any situation you in, always pray, good or bad. Always pray. Never forget. All right. But in today's video, we're gonna be working on a schwinn frame, a schwinn female frame. Okay. I had painted about 2-3 months ago, and now it's time to, you know, to bring it back to life. We don't know what we're gonna do with it. We don't know if we're gonna keep it as a trike or we're gonna keep it as a two-wheeler. We're gonna see. Most of the parts I have here already. Some of the parts I will have to order, but this will be a part 1, part 2, and part 3 video. So today will be a part 1 video. I hope y'all enjoy the video. God bless. All right, so we are here in my parents' house picking up the schwinn frame. So you can see it. Picking this up to take to the garage and get it built up. Female schwinn frame. Let's take it now. Alright, so we are coming down here to pick up the cups that came with it. We gotta clean this as well. So I think we got to bring this. What else? What we got here? I think we're good. I think we're just the cups that we need. For right now, we're good. Taping, we're good. So yeah, this is what we need to get the job started. Okay, so right now we did get the schwinn home. Like you see, it's right here. We gotta still add in the cups. We got certain parts that we have on the wall as well here. I know I'm gonna be installing this right here. That fork is gonna go on it. On this one right here. A couple things I got going on right now that we're gonna be adding on. But for sure that fork is gonna go on. We're gonna get a twisted gooseneck. That's right there, as you can see. We're gonna lay everything out that we're gonna use so far. We're gonna put it on this table so far. So far, what we're gonna put is this right here. We're gonna add this to it. Okay. Right now we're gonna get either the single. I might throw on the single. We're gonna throw on the single gooseneck. Okay. We're gonna be throwing on this nice sprocket. We're gonna be adding this right here to it. That's gonna go on it. What else? Let me see. So we got that going on, as well as seat post. We're gonna add on to that. And seat post is going on. Let me see what else. Oh, we need the crank, and this we need the crank show. Oh, let me see. So I might come over here I got a crank right here laying around. I might be adding this one on, but I don't know yet because I think the bolt part right there, I think they're stripped. I think this side is stripped, as you can see. But we'll double check and see what's going on. But if not, we're gonna be installing this one. If not, I have a few upstairs that we're gonna be playing with. So that's what I got going on right now, guys. The seat, I'm not sure about the seat yet. I'm gonna have to order a seat. I don't know. I might put one of them seats on. I'm not sure yet. I might convert this frame. Either it's gonna be a two-wheel or it's gonna be a trike. What do you guys think I should do? Two-wheel or trike? So what I gotta order is fenders and I think that I think a fender for right now. But I'm not too sure, guys. But I know that we're gonna be ordering a few parts for this build right here that we have going on. I'm not 100% sure yet. I might be adding a steering wheel to it too. A steering wheel is gonna go on it. So that's what we got going on. What else? Lights. We're gonna be installing lights to it too. So I'm gonna come right here and get a light. That's what we're gonna be adding onto it. Like I said, guys, I might convert it into a trike. I'm not 100% sure yet. All I want to do is install the crank and the sprocket, the cups that goes on it, the crank and the sprocket, the chain, and the seat post. I got the clamps right there. I'm gonna be installing. Let me see. I think I'm gonna be installing this right here. That's what we're gonna be installing, those. Might be too big. Might be too big. I'm not sure yet. What do you guys think? You think it's too big? Might be too big. But that's what we got going on. I'm not gonna make it too crazy. It's gonna be something simple, something light. Nothing too crazy. But that's what we got going on for this build right here. You know, stay tuned for part 2, because part 2 will be coming out soon. This is just a little blueprint that I got going on right now. Okay, what's up, guys? So I got the cups clean, the bottom cup and the top cup for the Schwinn female's frame bike right here. So we're gonna be installing it right now with my friend right here that we got. I love to use this tool right here. So we're gonna be installing the bottom cups for right now. Take that out of here. You can see we got it all cleaned up. It had a lot of gunk in them, so we're gonna get them cleaned up. First of all, we're gonna be installing WD-40. We're gonna be spraying some WD on the bottom here. Get all that moist. As well as this side right here. All moist right here. Get that in there. Okay. We're gonna be taking our tool. As you can see how it goes. So we're gonna be tightening now. I like this procedure because it's very easy. Both sides are tight. As you can see, nice and snug, nice and tight in there. Next is gonna be installing the top part, the top cups, the front cup. That's how we're gonna call it. A little bit WD-40 in there. A little bit WD-40 in the front. Okay, we got it there. Now we come back with our tool. As you can see, guys, we got this cups on. As you can see, the cosmic green, Hilux. What you guys think about that cosmic green? Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned, all right? We're going to have part 2, maybe part 3. And like I said, we have parts here that we're going to install. And I'm not sure, like I said, guys, I might make it as a trike. I'm thinking about it real hard to make it as a trike. What do you guys think? Should I make it as a trike or just a regular standard? You let me know, guys, what you guys think, all right? So this is what we got going on, all right?